Understanding book cloth, a deep dive. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of the phrase, book cloth. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it is but also how and where it's used. Let's dive right in. Before understanding the combined meaning of book cloth, let's understand each word individually. Book, a set of pages, either printed or blank, bound together and often enclosed in a cover. Cloth, a woven or felted fabric made from wool, cotton, or a similar fiber. Now, when you combine these words, does it mean a fabric made of books? Not really. Let's delve deeper. Book cloth is a fabric material that is backed with paper, making it sturdy. This combination of fabric and paper is specifically used to cover books, albums, and boxes, giving them a textured and attractive appearance. It's an aesthetic choice but also serves the purpose of protection. Think of book cloth as a beautiful dress for a book. It provides a tactile and visual appeal, making the book or box feel more luxurious and premium. In the early days, books were often bound in leather. However, as the demand for books grew, there was a need for a less expensive but still attractive alternative. That's when book cloth came into play in the 19th century. Book cloth allowed for more decorative possibilities. It could be embossed with patterns, dyed in various colors, and even printed with designs. This brought about a revolution in bookbinding designs. Today, if you look at photo albums, diaries, or even some premium edition books, you might find them wrapped in this beautiful material, offering a hint of nostalgia and luxury. And that's book cloth for you. It's more than just a fabric. It's a blend of aesthetics and function that has been enhancing the world of bookbinding for years. We hope this video helped clarify this lovely term for you. Happy learning, and remember, every word has a story behind it.